I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious black bean sauce from scratch. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need half a cup of fermented black beans, rinsed thoroughly, along with 3 cloves of minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of grated fresh ginger. Also, have 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and a 1/4 cup of broth ready. These simple components are the foundation for a rich and flavorful sauce. Now that you have all your ingredients, let's get them prepped. Begin by mashing your rinsed fermented black beans into a coarse paste. You can use the back of a spoon or a mortar and pestle for this. Next, combine this bean paste with your minced garlic and grated ginger in a small bowl. Then, stir in the soy sauce, rice vinegar, and sugar until everything is well mixed. This step ensures all the flavors will meld beautifully. With your ingredients prepped, it's time to cook this amazing sauce. Heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a small saucepan over medium heat. Once hot, add your black bean mixture and sauté it for about 2 minutes, stirring constantly until fragrant. Then, pour in the 1/4 cup of broth. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until the sauce thickens slightly to your desired consistency. This creates a rich, aromatic base. Once your black bean sauce is cooked, let it cool completely before transferring it to an airtight container. It will keep well in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, ready for your next culinary adventure. This versatile sauce is fantastic in stir-fries, as a marinade for meats, or even as a flavorful dipping sauce. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade black bean sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.